Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram blocked channel Android on settings. We'll click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down. We will click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we will just go down here to looking for Telegram app, and this is window. We will go down here on Telegram and we will click here on Telegram. Then we come here to this is window and we will click here on for stop, and we will click here on OK. Then we will click here on storage and we come here to storage window. We will click here on clear cache, then we will click here on manage storage, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.